500,000 cars roll off this factory floor every single year. That's more than 1,300 vehicles produced every single day, an engineering ballet of machines, robots, and human expertise working in perfect synchronization. But how does one facility maintain such a relentless pace without sacrificing quality? From the thunderous press machines stamping steel panels to the delicate precision of robotic welders and paint booths, this is a look inside one of the most advanced manufacturing operations on Earth, the hidden world where raw steel transforms into the cars we drive every day. Before diving into the process, let's grasp the scale. Producing 500,000 cars annually is not just about machinery. It's about logistics, planning, and precision timing. To put it into perspective, that's enough vehicles to fill nearly 5,000 football fields if parked bumper to bumper. Every minute counts. The factory runs in multiple shifts, often 24 hours a day, with thousands of employees supported by automated systems. Raw materials like steel, aluminum, plastics, and glass arrive constantly, scheduled down to the hour. Without this supply chain precision, the entire operation could grind to a halt. This factory is not just a building, it's a city. Inside, kilometers of conveyor belts carry parts from one station to another. Dozens of robotic arms, each capable of hundreds of movements per minute, ensure speed and consistency. It's this fusion of human oversight and machine efficiency that makes producing 500,000 vehicles possible. The journey of every car begins with a giant sheet of steel. These sheets enter colossal stamping presses. Machines so powerful they can exert thousands of tons of force. With one deafening strike, a flat sheet is transformed into a car door, hood, or roof panel. These presses work with absolute precision. Even a tiny misalignment could ruin the part, costing both time and money. To prevent this, advanced sensors monitor every strike, ensuring each piece is flawless. Once shaped, the parts are fed onto conveyor systems, moving seamlessly to the next phase. Body assembly. Here, robotic welders take over. Sparks fly as dozens of arms move with perfect timing. Welding the body panels together. This is known as the body-in-white stage, when the skeleton of the car takes shape. At this point, workers inspect the welds, ensuring strength and durability. The choreography is mesmerizing. Machines move as though they're dancing, guided by programmed sequences refined over years. Each vehicle structure must be identical, ensuring safety and reliability. And yet, despite the robots, human skill remains essential, particularly for spot checks and fine adjustments. Once the car's body is formed, it enters one of the most tightly controlled parts of the factory, the paint shop. This is not just about color, it's about protection. The bare metal body is dipped in chemical baths to prevent rust, then sealed and primed. From there, robotic sprayers apply layers of paint with incredible accuracy. No streaks, no uneven coats. The air inside these paint booths is filtered thousands of times per hour, ensuring not a single speck of dust can ruin the finish. The process is almost artistic. Robots move like synchronized dancers, coating each curve and contour. But what looks beautiful is also extremely functional. The paint protects the car from corrosion, weather, and daily wear. After painting, the car bodies travel through ovens that cure the finish, making it durable and long-lasting. Inspectors then check for imperfections under bright lights, using both trained eyes and digital scanners. Only flawless finishes move forward, because in mass production, even a small mistake could mean thousands of cars with defects. While the body is being painted, another part of the factory is busy building the car's beating heart, the engine. Engines are assembled in specialized lines where precision is everything. Each block, crankshaft, piston, and valve must fit with microscopic accuracy. Robotic arms torque bolts to exact specifications, ensuring consistency across every unit. Even a slightly loose component could cause catastrophic failure. What makes this process fascinating is the balance between automation and human craftsmanship. Machines handle repetitive, high-precision tasks, but skilled technicians oversee the work, handling quality checks and complex assemblies. Modern factories often build multiple types of engines on the same line: petrol, diesel, or hybrid, requiring flexible systems. Barcode scanning and automated guidance ensure that each engine gets the right components. Once complete, engines undergo rigorous testing. Oil is pumped in, sensors check compression and efficiency, and each engine is run briefly to ensure it meets standards. Only after passing these tests does it move toward final installation. Perhaps the most dramatic moment in the factory is called the marriage. This is when the painted body shell meets the engine, transmission, and suspension. On enormous platforms, the body hovers above while the entire drivetrain is lifted from below. In one synchronized motion, the two halves come together, bolted in place with precision. It's like watching a human body receive its vital organs. This stage requires absolute accuracy. Robots and workers align hundreds of components within millimeters. Once secured, the car now looks like a complete machine, ready for its final touches. With the drivetrain installed, attention shifts to the interior. Seats, dashboards, wiring harnesses, and infotainment systems are fitted. This phase requires flexibility, as customization plays a big role. Buyers expect choice: leather or fabric seats, touchscreens or standard radios, advanced driver assist features or base models. To accommodate this, factories rely on just-in-time delivery. Suppliers ship parts directly to the line only when needed, preventing overcrowding. Installing electronics is especially complex. Modern cars are essentially computers on wheels, with miles of wiring hidden behind panels. Workers and robots collaborate to ensure every connection is secure. A single loose wire could disable safety features or infotainment systems, rigorously checked to meet international standards. Even after thousands of parts come together, the process isn't finished. Every car undergoes rigorous testing. Laser scanners inspect alignments, ensuring doors close perfectly and panels fit seamlessly. Vehicles are placed on rolling roads, like treadmills for cars, to simulate real driving conditions. Engines are revved, brakes are tested, and steering is checked. Some factories even simulate rainstorms to ensure there are no leaks, while others perform sound tests to detect unwanted vibrations. Only when a vehicle passes these trials is it cleared for shipping. 500,000 cars leave this factory every year, but behind each one lies a story of precision, coordination, and human innovation. From the first sheet of steel to the final quality check, this process represents the peak of modern engineering. Factories like this don't just build machines. They create the vehicles that carry us to work, connect families, and shape our cities. And the next time you start your car, remember, it's the result of one of the most complex and fascinating productions on Earth.